the south, where Union Minister has sparked a massive row. In fact, that is Suresh Gopi, who has landed in controversy after suggesting that the Tribal Affairs Ministry should be managed by individuals from upper castes. Now, he further argued that non-tribal leaders could better address tribal welfare, a remark that has drawn sharp criticism from opposition parties and tribal leaders alike. Now, as expected, his statement sparked widespread outrage. Amid the backlash, the BJP leader has now retracted his comment, claiming his words were meant in good faith. But what did he exactly say? Listen in.
ഞാൻ 2016 MP ആയ ആ കാലഘട്ടം തൊട്ട് ഞാൻ മോദിജിയോട് ആവശ്യപ്പെടുന്നുണ്ട്, എനിക്ക് സിവിൽ ഏവിയേഷൻ വേണ്ട, എനിക്ക് ട്രൈബൽ തരും. അപ്പൊ നമ്മുടെ ഒരു നാട്ടിലെ മറ്റൊരു ശാപമാണ്, ഒരു ട്രൈബൽ ക്യാബിനറ്റ് മന്ത്രി ഒരിക്കലും ട്രൈബൽ അല്ലാത്ത ആളാവുകയില്ല. എന്റെ ആഗ്രഹമാണ്, എന്റെ സ്വപ്നമാണ്, ഒരു ഉന്നത കുലജാതൻ അവരുടെ ഉന്നമനത്തിന് വേണ്ടി ട്രൈബൽ മന്ത്രിയാവണം. ഒരു ട്രൈബൽ മന്ത്രിയാവാൻ ഒരാളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അദ്ദേഹത്തെ മുന്നോക്ക ജാതികളുടെയൊക്കെ ഉന്നമനത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള മന്ത്രി.
Arpita Ajay Kumar, my colleague, joins me for more. Arpita, very good morning to you. Given the aspect of what we first know that he said, and then of course that him taking back that statement is concerned, that also in a sense means that because of the backlash he faced, which is why he's retracted it, is that how we look at it, more importantly, politically speaking, how is that being looked at? Because after all, this is a union minister who's making that statement.
Sorry. So soon after that incident was made by Union Minister Suresh Gopi, there was a huge, people were irked here in Kerala. The political leaders, Congress and LDF was very irked. They said that such a statement that is coming out from a union minister is not acceptable. But soon after he made the statement, he took his statement back, saying he did not mean anything else. It was just him expressing his views that he wanted to hold that portfolio and there was nothing else related to it, and he did not mean anything else. And he said he as a union minister wanted to do good for the people of Kerala, and that is why he wanted to hold that position. This is what he has claimed. Now, not just Union Minister Suresh Gopi, there's another Union Minister who has made a controversial statement that has made big rounds in Kerala. Union Minister George Kurian, soon after the budget was announced, has said that Kerala should be declared a backward state if it needs more funds. Now, this again is a very shocking statement that's coming in from a union minister who himself is a Malayali. So the people here are saying that such statements coming in from union ministers are not acceptable. The LDF has hit out at the union ministers, saying that they are ashamed of being called a Malayali. That is why they are making such statements, and the Congress has also hit out at George Kurian, saying he should apologize to the public, because Kerala is a state where they are doing very well in education, infrastructure and other aspects. But George Kurian has said that if the state needs more money, the state should declare itself as a backward state in terms of infrastructure, education and other aspects.
Arpita, as you pointed out, of course, we were talking about how Suresh Gopi did spark that particular row, and now you're referring to what George Kurian has also said.